To obtain a work visa from Italy to the UK, you will need to follow a few steps. Determine if you need a visa. Some nationalities can enter the UK without a visa for short stays. Choose the right visa. If you need a visa, you will need to determine which type of visa is appropriate for your situation. The main types of work visas for the UK are: Tier 2, General Visa. This is for skilled workers with a job offer from a UK employer. Tier 5, Temporary Worker Visa. This is for people coming to the UK to do temporary work, such as charity work, sports, or entertainment. Gather required documents. You will need to gather several documents to apply for a work visa, including a valid passport or another travel document, a completed visa application form, passport-sized photographs, evidence of your job offer, such as a contract of employment, evidence of your qualifications and work experience, evidence of your English language ability, proof of your financial status, such as bank statements or payslips. Submit your application. You must submit your visa application online, along with the required documents and the visa fee. Wait for a decision. The processing time for a work visa can vary, so applying as early as possible is essential. It is important to note that the process for obtaining a work visa can be complex and may vary depending on your specific circumstances. It is recommended that you seek the advice of a qualified immigration lawyer to ensure that you are following the correct process. Thanks for watching.